Welcome back to my channel. I am dressed for winter. The sky outside is absolutely pea soup, can't see through the fog at all, and I well and truly think that summer has gone. So without further ado, I thought today would be a good day to do the months. You'll have to forgive me, I've got it written down below me because I have a habit of mixing up my English and my Gaelic. So we'll go through this together, and if I look down it's because I have a bit of paper just to keep me right so I don't lead you astray. So starting from, of course, January. January, In Phóilleach. In Phóilleach. In Phóilleach. February, In Gearran. In Gearran. In Gearran. March, In Màrt. In Màrt. In Màrt. April, In Gip-lean. In Gip-lean. In Gip-lean. May, In Cèitean. In Cèitean. In Cèitean. June, In Tawk-vee-us. In Tawk-vee-us. In Tawk-vee-us. July, In Chew-chur. In Chew-chur. In Chew-chur. August, In Lùnasdal. In Lùnastal. In Lùnastal. September, In Sultain. In Sultain. In Sultain. October, In Dav-ir. In Dav-ir. In Dav-ir. November, In Samhain. In Samhain. In Samhain. And December, In Do-lochk. In Do-lochk. In Do-lochk. So I'll run through those again in Gaelic only. It's In Phóilleach. In Gearran. In Màrt. In Giblean. In Cèitean. In Tawk-vee-us. In Chew-chur. In Lùnastal. In Sultain. In Dav-ir. In Samhain. In Do-lochk. So I hope that this video helps you in learning the months of the year. Just as a footnote to this video, the Gaelic word for month is mias. In year is Giblean In. So I hope this helps you in your learning the months of the year, and I look forward to any future suggestions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.